What's going on?
Hi, Nona.
What is this? What are we doing?
Welcome to 21 Questions with
Is this a mic?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna clip it on, I guess.
Are you ready?
I am so ready.
All right. So the first question is, tell me a coincidence that changed your life.
Oh, this is gonna sound cheesy, but the fact that I was literally in the same room at the same time as my boyfriend, and we locked
Really?
eyes, and he's the only person that I saw in that room.
What?
And now we're still together, like 8 years later. That's
Oh my
it. That's
God.
it for me.
Romance sensation for a reason. Such
Guilty.
a romance girl you are, Nona.
Yeah.
Do you believe everything happens for a reason?
100%. And I think anyone who thinks otherwise is wrong.
So when we talk about fate versus free will, you're definitely a fate girl.
Fate 100% through and through.
All right. Would you rather know your future or forget your past?
I would rather know my future. I'm really not a forget. I'm just gonna put my bag down.
Yeah, it must be heavy to keep it.
I'm not really like a forget my past kind of a person. I love to learn from my mistakes. So know my future for sure. I love to be prepared. So that'll be amazing.
Makes sense actually. All right. If your book was a movie, which one would it be?
It'll be called a coincidence. My book will be the movie.
Absolutely, definitely agree with you. But just name one movie.
I mean, think any old OG Hindi movie like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, something like very, very dramatic. That's it. That's what I would think.
All right, that's lovely. What
I
happened?
wanted to show you.
Oh, the PR boxes.
These are the boxes that we're sending some very special people. And what's inside? What's inside? Oh my god. What a coincidence. The book's inside. It's already been signed by me. I just wanted to visit it. Okay.
All right. On that note, how would you explain your book to your 5-year-old self?
It's your dream come true.
Yeah, that's cute actually, and like so you. Then again, the next question is, have you ever dreamt of someone before meeting them?
I have dreamt of the idea of someone,
Yeah.
not their face. I don't think you can.
Yeah.
So that yes and no.
Okay, yeah, I get it. Romance girl, fate girl,
Always in my head.
The next question is, what's one ritual or like a peculiar habit you have while you're writing a book?
Oh my god, I drink copious amounts of black coffee like
Yeah.
every time I'm writing. Which reminds me, can we please go make my black coffee?
Let's
I'm
go
like
the pantry
dying.
to the other side. Come on.
Okay, yeah, so you will see my writing ritual.
How did small coincidences from your life inspire your book? Just name one.
Honestly, every single person in my life who's ever played any role, coincidence or otherwise, inspired this book. So they're all in there, and only they
Yeah.
know that they're in there. That's the best part.
Okay. What's your favorite playlist while writing the book?
Oh, I actually have that playlist. I can show it to you. The playlist is literally called Love by Coincidence, a playlist.
cute.
Everyone can access it, and this is literally all that I heard while I was writing the book.
What's your favorite song from the playlist though?
Pyar Deewana Hota Hai. That's
Oh,
such an
that's so-
OG.
that's so
I
cute.
grew up listening to it, and it really is like a invisible string throughout the book.
Yeah.
So that song.
All right. So, what are the two characters from the book that are like really close to you?
I think the one character that's very, very close to me is Serena. She is like Naina's best friend, and to me feels like an elder sister.
Yeah.
So I would say that one.
Okay, I agree that. Like that makes sense totally.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to like come out for the next question?
Yeah.
The
Should we
coffee
wait
looks
for
really
my
good.
coffee to be finished? Okay.
Yes.
Done.
All right, perfect. You know what? I'm gonna make you do something right now.
Okay.
Call your boyfriend and make him say hi, penguin in 30 seconds.
No. What if he does not pick up?
That would be
Okay,
like a
wait.
little off for a romance writer, don't you think?
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Fingers totally crossed.
Arjun, I am with Penguin. You have to say hi, Penguin. It's me, Arjun.
Hi Penguin, it's me Arjun.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
All
That
right.
was my boyfriend. Can I sit for like a second?
Yeah, sure. Have a seat.
Okay.
What is Nona's favorite snack?
Crispy French fries.
French fries, peri peri
French
fries,
fries?
cheesy
No,
fries.
no. Very specifically, crispy fries, which are very crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, with a lot of ketchup. That's it. Don't mess it up. And salt, like sea salt on the top.
Actually, that sounds really
My
delicious.
mouth's watering.
Have a sip of coffee. Take a breather. Okay. So, what's the one thing that we'll definitely find in your desk?
Chewing gum, because I have so many coffees.
coffees.
It's a must.
Yeah, chewing gum makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so you create such inspiring content on Instagram. What's the one thing that you do definitely before shooting a reel?
Can I show you?
Yeah, show you. Show it. So basically, like the influencer movements, right?
Yeah. And then I have to act like I didn't do that.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
Who does Nona send her first draft of the book to?
My sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's my biggest critic.
Okay. That explains the bond. You know, because you answered the next question.
Oh wow. Who's my
It was
biggest
like,
critic?
Who's your biggest critic? Yeah.
My sister. She's the best at just like figuring out all of the kinks and problems
Yeah.
and just solving them for me.
All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to play a rapid fire session. It's called Who Would You Call First? If-
Love rapid fire.
Okay. Who would you call first if you found rupees 10,000 on the road?
I'd call my dad to
Why?
ask him if it's okay if I steal that money or not. Wait 1 second. I just want to see that book.
Okay. Okay, I think you're eyeing Emily Henry, I
Oh
think.
my god. Okay, wait, you know what? One thing at a time. I'll finish this and then I'll
Yeah.
just go steal that book.
Definitely do that. Okay, the next one is who would you call if your book hits the bestseller list?
I'd call my mom or I'll call my family group chat.
Yeah.
It's called Psychos.
What?
And they'll all join in and we'll all be like, yeah. And then the topic will change because it's not that important.
Such a fun moment. Who would you call if you saw your ex in a cafe right now?
I'd call my best friend, Harshita.
And what would you say?
I wouldn't have to say anything because she'd know exactly what's happened.
Okay, I thought we'll just get some insights, but fine.
Should we just go and sit on the swing for a while?
Yeah, sure. Let's
Okay, done.
go. While you step down,
Ooh, I accidentally called my boyfriend again.
make him say hi again then, if he picks up. All right, so the next question is, how did you settle on the name Call It Coincidence, or were there like any other title choices?
Oh, that's so fun. I literally have like a photo in my phone of
Yeah.
like a WhatsApp chat with me and myself where I've literally written
Yeah.
first coincidences and then I wrote Call It Coincidence. This is September
Really?
3rd, 2024.
Yeah.
And I literally knew on that day that that's what my book is going to be called and it
Oh my
literally never
God.
changed.
You know what? I didn't call you like a romance girl or a fate girl or a coincidence girl. Anyhow, right?
That's just so me. I can't help it.
All right, the next question is, what's the one thing you want to hear from your editor, be it good or bad both?
The one thing that I would want to hear from my editor is this
Yeah.
is even better than the last time. And I
Yes.
say that because she literally did say this.
That's what we aim for.
Yeah.
Anything bad or like something very critical?
I would love to hear you can do even better because under that is a emphasis that you're capable of so much.
Yeah, it's like a good motivation. All right, so we're coming to the last question now.
Oof,
Did your
already?
boyfriend read your book? He did?
He did. It won't go to press without him reading it.
Yeah.
And lucky me, he loved it, or so he says.
All right, did you kill him this time or?
I did not kill him this time. Oh my god, he's been so butthurt about that. Never killing him again. This
Yeah.
book, nobody dies, we're all good. He's alive, and I think that's why he really liked it.
All right, now we'll let you settle and swing on the
Amazing.
swing.
I'm just
in
gonna have my
peace.
coffee and
yeah,
like.
yeah. Thank you so much for answering these questions. Have fun.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Nona.
Bye.